Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to guide you through the easy steps to register for an Aetna health plan. Whether you're new to health insurance or looking to switch plans, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Visit the Aetna website. Start by visiting the official Aetna website. Once there, look for the Get a Quote button, usually prominently displayed on the homepage. This will help you get started on finding the right plan for your needs. Step 2. Select the type of plan. Aetna offers various health plans, including individual and family plans, Medicare, and employer-sponsored options. Click on the type of plan that suits you best. If you're unsure, take a moment to explore the different options and their benefits. Step 3. Enter your information. After selecting the plan type, you will be prompted to enter some basic information. This usually includes your name, age, zip code, and some health-related questions. Be as accurate as possible to ensure you receive the best options available to you. Step 4. Compare plans. Once you've entered your information, Aetna will present you with a list of plans that meet your criteria. Take your time to compare the plans based on coverage, costs, and any additional benefits. It's essential to find a plan that fits your healthcare needs and budget. Step 5. Choose your plan. After reviewing your options, choose the plan that best suits your needs. Click on the selected plan to see more details, including coverage specifics and pricing information. Step 6. Create an account. To proceed with registration, you will need to create an Aetna account. This account will allow you to manage your health plan and access important documents. Fill in the required details, such as your email address and password, and follow the prompts to complete your account setup. Step 7. Complete your registration. Now that your account is set up, you can finalize your registration for the health plan. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete your application. Be prepared to provide additional information, such as your social security number and payment details, to ensure smooth processing. Step 8. Review your application. Before submitting, take a moment to review all of your information. Ensure that all details are correct, as this will help accelerate the approval process. Once you're satisfied, submit your application. Step 9. Await confirmation. After submitting your application, you will receive a confirmation email from Aetna. This email will provide you with important information about your plan and next steps. Keep an eye on your inbox for any additional instructions. Step 10. Access your plan. Information. Once your application is approved, log into your Aetna account to access your plan documents. Familiarize yourself with your benefits, network providers, and how to manage your healthcare effectively. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. We look forward to bringing you more informative content in the future.